So hello, I'm Christina Arnold. I'm a city councilor for Ward 1 here in Roswell. On Sunday, we kind of came out and surveyed the damage, and this whole Spring River corridor was underwater. Grass, debris, trash was everywhere, cars, and so it was very important that we start cleanup, and I think this was a pivotal place to start. You can actually now see with a good crew of about 25 volunteers what we were able to accomplish. The whole area is now picked up and clean, and it's actually very inspiring to my heart. We're going to continue cleanups once a week. I'll put a post out on Facebook under Christina Arnold of a schedule of just getting out, spending a couple hours cleaning up section by section of Ward 1. And it's so amazing to me because even though a lot of people lost a whole lot, they lost their homes, they were all underwater, they lost cars, some people lost their lives. But I will say one thing about the amazing Roswell community, that we are resilient. We will get through this and we will come out way ahead. So I'm so very excited.